Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to reinstall a lace wig that you already had previously installed before. This wig was colored, well, bleached, and I actually have the video that I just posted before this one on how I bleached it, so go ahead and check that out, and I will leave that link in the description box. Now usually when installing my lace wigs, I do the cream foundation on the lace, or sometimes I use lace tint, but today I'm going to show you guys how to make that lace look like your skin tone using liquid foundation. Now you guys probably thinking like, oh, you didn't put your cap on and clean your hairline today, but I actually did all of this before I started my video because I did my prepping at my salon and I am actually doing this video at home, so I just wanted to get home and get straight into this video. But I hope you guys keep watching and thank you for tuning into my channel. Now the foundation that I'm using to make this look more like my skin tone is the L'Oreal's True Match, and I am using the color 360, and that is the liquid foundation. So right here I'm just going to go ahead and plait my hair back out the way because I didn't like the way the lace was still looking a little lighter than my skin, and so I did lift that back up and reapply more foundation closer to the front of the wig.
Is on the beat.
Now the glue that I use always for the most part is the GhostBond. Sometimes it's the regular GhostBond or the Supreme. And like I did say previously, guys, I did clean my hairline previous to me doing this video, so you did not see me clean my hairline with the alcohol. I'm just getting straight into applying the lace glue. Now I am going to show you show you guys, of me applying 2 layers of this glue, and then once I do the 3rd layer off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and lay that lace down.
Is on the beat.
Guys, a little tip that I like to do, like even though I did apply the lace glue from ear to ear, I just pretty much took the middle section, like I always like to work with the center of my, or anyone's hairline really, first, and I placed the front of the wig right where the glue is, and I still like to just go back and add glue in, doing like section by section. I'll always do the center first and then one side at a time, and you guys will even see me do that same process on my other videos with my clients. So I do the middle first and I go side to side. That way it's just much easier versus trying to just do everything at once. Even though, like I said, I did apply all the glue at once, I still like to just still do section by section as far as actually laying the lace down. Guys, I do look in the mirror a lot in this video as well because it's really hard to do my own installments on camera, so just bear with me.
Digits on the beat.
So once I have everything like down, I'm gonna section off the part that I would typically use as baby hairs, and I'm gonna take some elastic band and tie my hairline down. But once I got towards the end of this video, I realized I really didn't want any baby hairs, but I'm still gonna cut them down and start to do baby hairs in this video. And then after doing like two, I just realized I wanted it to be more natural. So you guys gonna see at the end of this video of my selfie videos how my hairline is just natural, no baby hairs at all. So don't get confused about that, guys.
Digits on the beat. Just a quick tip for curl management. I typically use silicone mixed in water, but I did not show you that in this video, nor did I soak and wet my hair because it was 4 o'clock in the morning when I was making this video. I was going to go to bed right after this. So like I said, guys, don't pay attention to me doing baby hairs because after doing the second one, I changed my mind. I didn't want any. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. And these are basically the finishing look. This was a video that I took right after I finished. As you see, there are no baby hairs. And then the next video will be a clip of me earlier today. So thank you guys for watching, and till next time.